Today I am going to show you how to install Oracle 12c Release 1 on Red Hat Linux 64-bit. So I am installing Oracle 12c Release 1 64-bit on the Red Hat Linux Enterprise 6.4 64-bit. So this is the Oracle download page, and we have two zip folder which we should download from this link. One is Linux AMD64_12c_database_1of2.zip and Linux AMD64_12c_database_2of2.zip. After installing this, I have downloaded this in this folder. This is the zip folder, and I have extracted this. Zip folder zip file into this folder. I have extracted both of this zip file into this single folder database. So both of the zip file is extracted in this database. You should extract this in the single file, otherwise your installing will not work. After that, I'll go to instruct you some steps which you should follow. Before installing 12c, you should configure a prerequisite. To configure in prerequisite, you should open the terminal. Okay. After that, you have to convert the Oracle Linux repo. You have to change to superuser, and this is the link. You have to download the Oracle repository key. So this is the link. I'll provide all this link on my comment section. You can copy it from there and use it. After that, you have to download the needed Oracle repo. You have to change to the directory /etc/yum.repos.d. After that, you have to install wget this one. With wget, you have to download this one. After downloading this one, in the same folder, you have to install the Oracle pre-installation RPMs. So yum install Oracle --rdbms -server-12cr1 pre-install. After this will take time depending on your bandwidth. So this approximate size is probably 64 MB. So after that, you have to update your system by yum update. So if some of the installation fail, you can also because your RPM DB is updated, you can use this command. But if your installation is successful on this using this one, you don't require to use this yum install package, because all this package will be installed by this repository, updating repository. Next step is you have to add users and group. So just you just add this report section, group add 501 -g 501 or install dbo upper, and then you have to add user. After this, log out of your current user. Log out of your current user. Then log in as Oracle. Don't forget, after adding the user, you should change your password by passwd Oracle, and you have to also do it as a superuser. Set your Oracle password, log out and log in as Oracle with the password you have set. After that, open the .bash profile from your Oracle user. Just se Oracle and write this command vi/home/oracle.bash profile, or also you can write vim or vi /bash profile. You can use both any of the command. Just I am using them here. Then I am export tmp/tmp, export in the scope of this tutorial to make you understand all the functions of this one. In the host, write your host name. My host name is RHEL. Unique name also you can provide adding host name. Then base, your Oracle base is user is u01/Oracle. Then this is the path. In the path, you have to provide 12c. Just you need to check one thing. Just a moment. The path is Oracle base product 12.1.0 db home_1. With your Oracle SID which you will provide. You can also set your bash script installing Oracle. It's not required previous before installation. So, and this is just set all this path, all RDB this path is here, and then create directories and permission. Actually, there are actually two directories. One is /u01 I have created here. You can create your own, and another is /opt/Oracle. So I'm just giving the permission to group install and user Oracle, and setting the execute and write permission to, if you understand chmod, it's not in the scope explaining here. So /r is recursively I am giving permission to /u01, and same with the recursive permission to /opt/Oracle. Then after that, there is ch1 and chmod is here, giving the access permission, execute, write or read permission. Just do one thing, just setting it, this order is not correct. First you have to make your directory, then you have to set the permission. So after that, I have created as make directory /database and set the give the permission to Oracle /database, also give the ownership to Oracle, because if you also provide set read write permission, execute permission to /database, you have to give the ownership to Oracle user. Otherwise, you cannot execute, run the run installer from this from Oracle user. So you need to do this for two things. And I have after this, before doing this, I have extracted, as I have shown you, I have extracted under this /database on ORDB this one data, and under that database folder. It is I'm just giving you the path here, /database /ORDB disk 1. Maybe my path is not right. I'm just showing you. Here is all the file under this one. After this, login as Oracle user, and after logging in, we will just start our installation. So we'll just change our directory to database ORDB disk 1 database. Under that, I will just run the run installer. Start. In the meantime, let me just show you. This is the .bash profile which I have I've added everything. See, this is the path 12.0, 1.0. This is the Oracle SID, and this is all our user U01 app Oracle base, this Oracle home unit name as I have shown you, RHEL 6, our Oracle hostname. So installation process has started. So this is the first screen. I'm not interested to provide email or receive security update from Oracle support. So I'm checking this. It will give me a warning that doesn't matter. Do you wish to remain uninformed? Yes, I wish to remain uninformed. The second option, create and configure database, install database software, upgrade an existing database. An instance of Oracle, you can check the second one, install database software only. Or you can upgrade an existing database if you have your previous installed Oracle 11G or previous version installed. So I'll click on next. The desktop class will be selected here. I'm installing it in a desktop. This is the path, and as I told you previously, as I configure the path, U01 app Oracle base. This is the file location, this is the database file location. OSDB group DBA, global database name will be ORCL, and create a container database will be omitted here. This is a very simple installation. The password does not conform to the recommended standard, and it's okay for me. I've just set my administrative group password, which is system. As I've shown you previously how I've set all the permission to U01 and OPT Oracle. So this is the inventory path, inventory group name install. These are the groups I've already set EFs in there. I have to change the name because if it is a process installation, just keep it as it is, or inventory. It's verifying for prerequisite and all the memory allocations and everything. Just to inform you one thing, that I have missed one thing here, that just configure these two files, gedit/etc/security/limits.conf and gedit/etc/ccc.conf, and set all those values as I have mentioned here. It depends on machine configuration, but still you can use this value, and if some error occurs, it will tell you later on that what value to change. You just open this file and change the value as instructed by Oracle in this software installation process. These are here you see all the installation is succeeded. Check has been succeeded. These packages are version is not matching, so it's giving me warning. It's not an error. It will not block my installation. So I'll ignore this and continue with the install. Whenever if something comes here, you can note down all the packages which has been mentioned here and install those packages. It will just re-verify your prerequisite. So this will take some time. So my installation is complete. Now you need to execute this two script as a super user. Just look into this. The following configuration script need to be executed as a root user. Script to be executed, this two, and open the terminal, log in as root, run the script. So I'll log in as there's a tab where I've been logging as root. So okay, group name of inventory install execution script is complete. Okay, so what it said, adding read write permission for group, removing read write execute permission for world, changing group name of 0 on app or inventories to install, and so next script will be executed. Okay, so user app, my previous installation failed, so there is some changes here. You don't get confused with that Ora inventory is in place of Ora inventory and dbhome_2 in place of dbhome. So this is my second attempt on installation, so that's why now net configuration is started. Okay, just missed one thing. Enter the full path name of local bin directory. Use a local bin. Let us check whether this path do exist. Local bin. Yes, use a local bin. This is the previous execution. You have not noticed this one. This came later on. So when you will execute the second script, this one, when you are executing this script, root.sh, it will ask for the path of local bin directory. Now it is completed. Okay, so it happened actually, my net configuration failed. So I overlooked this one. This command is shell is not executed totally completely. So since I have not mentioned my full path name of the local bin directory, that's why my net configuration failed the first time. So now it has been done, and it's succeeded. It's previously failed because of this. I did not mention this path. So I've done it again. As you see, user local bin, I've set the path, and again retried my local net Oracle net configuration, and it succeeded. So my configuration, net configuration is now it's creating an starting Oracle instance. Just if you look at the video, just tell me what are the defects, what fault you find inside, because this is a runtime installation, so it's probably, it's obvious, maybe error may occur. So there is also several error in this installation video. One of the error is database configuration assistant failure. So I have to start the database configuration assist from my SQL, from my terminal again by the command dbca. So I hope you will understand the installation process, and if you have any doubt, you can comment on my channel. Okay, I'll try to solve your problem as much as possible. In database creation, after that we will proceed to net configuration assistant. The next we will proceed to password management. So our database configuration is complete. So now we will set him and sysdba user. As you can see, new password, lock account new password. I'll set the password and password. Right now I'll just set the password for system and sysdba. The other accounts are locked. I am not concerned with that now. So I've set the password. Password for the following does not satisfy Oracle password complexity policy. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. I have no issue with this. So it's done. Now close. Now we will just log in. SQL plus sysdba. Okay, let's connect to system database. Okay, I think case sensitive case is not right, because as we know that Oracle, from Oracle 11g it says case sensitive. Connected. So we have connected. So we'll exit from here and we'll just start. This is the third and final part of installation of Oracle 12c, installation and configuration of Oracle 12c 64-bit on Red Hat Enterprise Linux Enterprise 6.4 64-bit. So before, in the part 2, we have seen how to password through password management. Today we will see how to start up the database, and first we will look out on our listener.ora and tnsnames.ora files, content of the files. After that we will start up the database and then connect from the for Oracle client to the Oracle database on my Red Hat Linux server. So first let us just see what is the content of our listener.ora file. This is the path. I have just given the $oracle _home environment variable, which actually sets the path till db home _1. Then I have given the network and admin path, and under that there is a file called listener.ora. So this is the file, this is the description, listener, and just see host equal to, actually when listener will be first configured, it will take actually the host name, which is your host name, which is here RHEL 6. But for some precautions, I just sometimes this does not work. It does not identify the name from everywhere, from specifically when you are accessing from the client. So for assuring my connectivity, I just put my IP address 192.168.0.109. But still, if you configure, because this listener and net configuration is automatically set in Oracle. There is in net configuration there is a file called listener_ora. There is a service name called listener_ora which has been created by default. You can create your own listener own service name, but and the same with the listener. If you reconfigure your listener, you will see that after you configure it, the host name will be automatically set to the host name which has been displayed here, RHEL 6, whatever host name you have in your Linux machine. So this is the listener.ora file. Now we will just look into our DNS names ora file. So this is the DNS name, see, listener_orcell, which is automatically created, and I have just created this file, and this is I have done I manually edited this and just added oracle_sid equal to ora. I'm going to change this one. This will not remain. It will be the service name. I'll just put it service name equal to, because this is not correct. My SID is orcell equal to, I will keep it the same, orcell. So let us check the LSNRCTL status, whether it is running or not. Connection refused, it is not running. So we will start our, yes, it is started. Now we will just enter as login as sysdba and start our database. Starting the database will take some time. So after the database is mounted, we will be back with our client connection. So database is mounted and opened. Let us check whether database is successfully mounted. Yes, it is, but still I need to confirm myself. So I am logging as a system user administrator and see whether it is connecting or not. Yes, it is successfully connected. All about installation of Oracle 12c. Just install it, enjoy it. If you face any difficulty, do comment me, ask me. I will always ready to help you, and anytime. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.